Bruh, that thing is out of control. It's just like, we're going too fast through here. We should not be going this fast. Come on, over here. 1, 2, 3. So we're out here at the Rally Ready Driving School in Austin, Texas. We booked this thing through the Uncharted Society website, which is like an Airbnb for off-roading. And so we're coming out here, we're doing the rally driving class. It's one of only 3 places in the country where you can learn to drive a rally car. They can build you a rally car, and you come out here and drive a rally car. And apparently they've got a super sweet short course out here. Tomorrow, people are coming out here to do a group ride with us. So it's another BMF S3 Rough and Rowdy ride, babe. We're just keeping those moving. Dang. It's time for driving school. So we've driven side by sides, done a lot of that, but now we gotta learn to drive rally cars.
Okay, gentlemen, it's important now. We are here for safety first, okay?
My name's Dave Carpation. Friends call me Texas Dave because Lord knows nobody wants to pronounce my last name.
Number 1, and I quote, don't be a friggin' ding dong.
Mostly I do this because if you've ever been in a rally car or a UTV or a trophy truck or anything off-road, and you know the magic of what it feels like when you link those first 2 corners together, I want everybody on planet Earth to get to experience that.
I'm thinking the mic Facebook, because like, there's nothing that says more rally car than him with a mic. How do I look?
Official?
Yeah.
It's important. I basically feel like a professional right now. I watched, I learned, I listened. This kind of reminds me of like Monster Jam freestyle. The bigger you go, the better.
I'm excited about driving a rally car. I've never done that before, but to be able to trash on something kind of purpose-built for it, like our side-by-sides, is gonna be super cool to me. Are y'all ready for stage 1? How's the throttle response?
Oh, it's got the rap tune. All right, brakes off.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1,
We're going.
If you want to pick a rally driver, you have to be from Finland. Is rule number 1. If you want to win, hire a Finn.
You can tell he knows what he's doing. I thought he went over a couple of those cones, but he was just cutting it so close.
Or slightly less good is you get a French guy named Sebastian and you are world champion. It's just by default.
That one did not feel bad.
You're not double clutching when you should be triple clutching.
Yeah, Eric, we're gonna need you to time us.
I got your timer right here.
1, 2, 3.
Drifting hard. It's 27, 28.
Nice slide here.
35 seconds. Pretty good.
Record time?
track record.
Are you serious? It's super sweet. What's crazy is you feel it progressively, like you're figuring the car out.
I'm not gonna let anybody down, you know what I'm saying? I'm not gonna put it in the wall like D just did.
We won't talk about that again, though.
1, 2, 3. Not even close. He ran a 37, 2 seconds off.
Bro, that is tough.
The good news, you made it all the way around the track.
Yeah.
The bad news, it was 38 seconds.
Oh, not good.
Look at it swapping ends. Oh, he's moving now. Oh, that's a good. Hey, you boys getting faster.
After a run like that, I know we were talking about there's no contracts in the rally, but I think we got one.
That's all I was hoping for.
Woo, man, this is your big shot.
Yeah, you made it.
On the phone. Come on, let me hear it, let me hear it. Eric, are you ready for this? We ran 35s back to back.
Yeah, I feel like there's a lot of pressure.
Yeah, there is.
If I'm not the best, at least I'm the best dressed.
And the best looking for sure. 1, 2, 3.
Freaking fun. This is completely different than anything I've ever drove. So it was a little bit frustrating, but after they gave us some pointers and watching the car and really doing what they say and trusting the car, it works.
35.87 first run, that's good. He's looking good.
I don't know if he's getting a groove on the track. Oh, man. Oh, are you ready? 1, 2, 3.
Rally is definitely my primary passion. For me, I bought some old Civics on Craigslist, rented a parking lot, started teaching a rally school. And we've just been growing it every day since, and it's been going on 10 years now.
36.55 with a cone penalty, right?
I gave up once I hit green.
So we got to take our rips. I feel like we're getting pretty good at this. Maybe semi-pro, maybe entry-level pro-am probably. Now Big Dog Texas Dave brought his car. Sounds like it'll barely run. Now he's fixing to take us all for rides in his car.
Well, this thing's got 2 church pews in it.
We'll do a little wiggle, a squiggle,
both a zig and a zag, scoot it, toot it, come up in there and boot it, and then I reckon go that way and see how many gears this thing has. Spicy numbers are spicy. Coolant temps, deluxe.
So Uncharted Playgrounds for us is, we're super excited about the platform. I think it's a really, really cool way for folks in what is a hugely growing off-road industry to find new places to go drive their rigs and new stuff to experience. I think it's super important to get people out of the house and into new places. Playgrounds is such a cool place for that because nobody wants to run the same track every weekend.
Man, this rally ready place is a super sweet playground. It's like 130 something acres. Dude, to me, I wish we had a place like this closer to home that we could just go rip around and practice for the day, you know?
Bruh, that thing is out of control. What's crazy is with him driving, it's so smooth. It's not like, oh, we're crashing, oh, we're good, oh, we're crashing. It's just like, we're going too fast through here. We should not be going this fast. What a good ride. Cheers, man. Thank you, dude.
Such a good day. Got to drive rally cars, got to ride in a super fast rally car. And it's literally just the first day. We got a whole nother day of it tomorrow with people coming out to ride with us, to bring their own rigs out here. E, what do you have to say for yourself?
If you ain't pushing it to the green, you're not trying hard enough. You know what I mean?
Oh, that dude's bringing the heat. Yeah, man, we're out here for day 2. You hear they got trucks, but for us, we're coming out here to rip on our side-by-sides because today is like an open ride day, and everybody that showed up today is booked through Uncharted. So we brought our cars, we're fixing to tear the big track up.
What's really cool about Playgrounds and why we're really excited to be a part of it is it's an ecosystem of sort of diverse places to go off-roading or to take your friends and family.
Yeah, Cowboy finally showed up from his big fancy movie role. He's a TV star now. He's always ride or die. He's gonna be there. Maybe late, but he's gonna be there.
Feels like you're on rails, right? Like taking these kids for some rides. They're enjoying it. We're trying to scare them, but I don't think they're getting scared. Maybe they need Dustin to drive. I don't know. Maybe I'm not fast enough for them.
It's a really unique and special way to get to connect with other, fellow enthusiasts in the off-road space. It's a cool intersection to bring all that stuff together, and I think it's a really special way to build lifelong memories with your family, your friends, and to go huck cars off of sweet jumps. What else do you need?
Putting all the kids in the car, everybody that showed up, signed up for the event, just having a freaking good time, man. It's super cool. They've never ridden in anything like this, so their minds are blown, so that's always super fun for us.
Oh yeah, OP's got to get some water, boy. Kids running me ragged. Now everybody's gonna go eat some barbecue and watch some fights with Cowboy CERRONE.
Yeah, I'm super excited to kind of navigate this with Playgrounds and see that platform grow and obviously along the way, hopefully grow a robust community of people who are just as stoked about rallying as they are about going and playing in the dirt with their friends and a million other places.
Man, it's been a great time. You can tell by all the dirt and the bacon neck in my collar that we did some sweating down here in Texas, but we sure enough had some fun. And so the cool experience, it's like simple as booking an Airbnb and just find somewhere close to you and go rip. So, Uncharted Society killing it with that one. 35 seconds is, they said, maybe a new track record. I don't know.
I think today's track record.
Don't listen to me, Eric, even though I'm putting down the fastest times. You know what I mean? Maybe try first.
First of all, my boy's got, is this AM1 socks on? You been balling?
Actually, I stole these from Dominic Reyes. You already know. You already know what I'm gonna do. Let me just put some more body weight on you. All right, let me just pick my feet up. Whoa. Whoa. Whoa.
I said, oh, Quentin, he asked me if I wanted to go for a ride, and I said, no, Quentin, I am good also. I can crash things all by myself.
He drives a little outside of his capability. You know what I mean? A little outside of his means. I'm just gonna jump a little bit right now, okay?
Let me know. Let me know when you're in Sydney.
Look, I'm just practicing, okay?
A little squeeze. All right, can we go ahead and...
Dude, I'm all Matt!
The cops will try to stop us, but they can't catch me. My girl says faster, baby, don't slow down. Then we hit the dirt road at the edge of town. The sirens fade till it's just us, and it looks like we lost them in the cloud of dust. Saying, go, baby, go.